Bad bird. Bad bird. Another interior shot. Okay, there's my TA in between Oakland and San Francisco. Oakland on the right, San Francisco on the left.
Yeah, what about getting into the competitive pony car market? Get into one of these, because it's fast. It's got 160 on the speedometer.
This is Jerry Neville's 68 Firebird 400 4-speed converter, a faithfully restored beauty from the second year that GM made Firebirds. These 400s carry these with chrome valve covers. The hood tack is factory installed too. Even the spoiler was an option. But you're probably wondering about that color, right? It's called Vergano Green.
They did do kitchen appliances in colors similar to this in the early 70s.
Now, Chevy fans will say that the Firebird takes a lot of its engineering from the Camaro. You've got to admit, from the side at least, the two look awfully similar. But with that classic split grille on the front.
Have you ever seen a Camaro that looks like that?